Hi vlog, hi mga besh, I hope you're all doing well. Andito kami sa labas sa tram station kasi we're waiting for a bus. We're going to Ikea to buy this beach stuff for her room. Right?
Yeah, I'm happy. But the sun is like in my eyes.
Oh, ikay siya besh, no? So, hintay-hintay kami ng bus
You don't
mga
want to
besh.
talk?
Okay.
It's not filming. I look so big.
So, yun mga besh, sama namin kayo sa Ikea. It's actually our almost first time after the pandemic started, right? We haven't been there for a while. So, yun mga besh, sama namin kayo. See ya! Say see ya?
Huh?
See ya!
See ya! See ya! Yes, God!
Anyway mga besh, ginamit ko yung bago nating kit today. So we'll see how it will hold up, kung masakit ba siya or hindi mga besh. But so far, it's okay. Ayan mga besh, we are here. It's been a while. Hindi kami nakapunta dito sa Ikea since the pandemic mga besh. So ayan. We are here and Camila is here. She's happy and the husband is
not that happy.
This money's gonna be back.
oh my God. Ayan mga besh, kain muna kami bago kami mag-shopping. Kami? Ayan mga besh, juice and pizza and beach. Do you have?
What?
Korb.
Yeah, hot dog.
Hot dog.
Sausage.
Is it hot dog or sausage, darling?
Medium warm dog.
Yak! We are here mga besh. Ayan, ito yung mga showcase nila. Living room ideas. Ayan. Here's kami. May bag na siya mga besh. Ayan bro. Gurunt. Ooh. Camila is trying some chairs mga besh. Bye. Ayan mga besh. Ooh, tita. And here, showcase. Nasa showcase pa rin kami mga besh. Camila, are you happy bitch?
Oh, I'm so tired.
Are we done?
No.
What?
I think we're done.
Bas Yora, what will we eat? Ayan mga besh. We are done with buying, so we're going to eat. Hindi ako masyadong nagtingin sa loob mga besh.
I think my dad is gonna cry. His bank account is just going to cry.
Sorry?
His bank account is going to cry. Papa.
Food time. Cake time, I mean. Ayan mga besh, kain. Ayan, this is mine. I have shrimp salad mga besh. Ayan kay hubby. And here Camila. Is it good? You don't know it?
I'm gonna be eating this.
What is that? Dime.
It's a dime cake.
Yeah, say kain.
Fine.
Kain bitch. Ayan mga besh, kain. I have shrimp salad like I said earlier. Kain. Say kain.
Kain.
Ayan mga besh, we are done in Ikea. Hintay na kami sa aming bus. Idinoid, are you happy? What is that?
That's rug.
Rug 11. Ayan mga besh, hintay kami sa aming bus. Hindi ako masyadong naka-vlog sa loob ng Ikea kasi ang daming tao mga besh, and ayoko din yung parang ayoko din mag-vlog kasi na anong tawag dyan, nahihiya din ako mag-vlog pag maraming tao mga besh. But anyway, uwi na kami, hintay kami sa aming bus mga besh, and Camila is happy because most of the stuff na aming binili is for her. So see you na sa bahay mga besh. The beach. Look at how good quality is the telephone. Stannar vid Vasaplatsen. Och sen kommer spårvagn. Tack så mycket. Där. Look at this. Wow, that's perfect. Back. Ay, ay. Ayan mga besh, we just got home. So Camila will do Ikea haul mga besh because it's actually mostly her stuff. So Camila do campo, ya. Uligin ang pugol between your weeklo.
Okay, so the first thing we have is this figure. Is this big rug? I don't know what it's called. I know! Okay, so you're just gonna put it on the floor and it's just going to be nice. You know, we can toss this aside right now. Then, but 1, 2, 3. Yeah, only 3 pillows, like a whole pillow wrapped right now. But not just wrapped up. It's a wrapped up pillows like a taco. I'm gonna eat it now. No, let's put this aside right now. Let's put it aside. Okay, then we have, nope, this is not mine. Let's go.
Let's go.
These are not mine either, so let's go away. These, in fact, are mine. We bought these.
Pillow.
These are supposed to be the pillows. the pillows skin. If I can say that.
Pillow cover.
This is going to be on this, so it's actually going to look like this. Little dots on that. I really like it. Got 2. Put this again, and we put this there. Then I really like this one. This is like the whole bed. We bought a pillow, and then we bought a what kind
Cover. Bed cover.
Vad heter det? Täcke?
Bed cover, so you.
A bed cover, and then this is the cover that's going to be on them. And I really like it. It's like flowers, blue flowers. I really like it. Then this thing.
Picture frame.
We don't have to talk about, so bye. Then this
Garlic presser or something.
garlic presser, I guess. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. This is a stand.
It is for my flower, mga besh.
Expecto Patronum!
And then,
Yeah, these are
ito färdigt.
yeah, these are for the flower. And the plants are just going to like grow up here like a squirrel. Expecto Patronum!
And this one is, Camila didn't show this. This is my pillow for our living room pillow. So I buy them a new pillowcase. So ayan mga besh. So Camila, dukan.
Yeah, so that was everything very fast, like 3 minutes. And liksom ska jag säga so thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, the normal video. So I forget what I usually say. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. See you next time. Bye.